In this video, let's say how to use a content carousel widget of your classic add-on plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section. And here you can choose your preferred layout. And in the left sidebar, click on the widget options and search for the content carousel. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the left sidebar, you can see title. Enter your title here. Here you can see title tag. Choose your preferred title tag size here. And the next one is layout, and here you can choose your preferred alignment. And here you can see carousel style layout. You can choose it from default, classic, modern, or list. Let's choose modern layout. The next part is content, and click on this item one and add your content here. And if you want to add new item, just click on this option and add your content for the item 2. And also you can duplicate this easily and change your text here. The next part is slide, and here you can enable or disable the slide options. And the next option is slide items. Here you can enter the number of slide items that should be shown on the large devices. And the next is items on the tab, and here you can enter the slide items that should show on the tab. And here you can enter the value that should shown on the mobile. The next one is autoplay. Here you can enable or disable it easily. The next option is loop. Here you can enable or disable it. And the next option is item center. If you want, you can enable it. And the next option is navigation. You can enable or disable it. And if you want to pagination, you can enable it here. And the next one is item margin, and here you can enter the preferred value with the pixels. And the next one is item duration. Here you can change your preferred value. The next one is item smart speed, and here you can control the speed of the items here. The next one is item slide by. Here you can enter the value that how many items move at once when you scroll. Next, let's moving on to the style area, and here you can see padding and margin. Enter your preferred inner space value here. Let's give 20 pixels for each side. The next one is margin. Here you can enter your outer space value for this content. And here you can see font color, background color, and box shadow, and you can change it in the normal and overview. Let's change the font color now. And if you want to change background color, you can select your preferred color here. Now let's change it in the hover. And if you want to enable box shadow, you can enable it here, and this option for changing the style of the box shadow. And here you can choose the box shadow position, insert, or outline. The next part is title, and here you can change the title color in the normal and overview. Now let's change it in the hover. The next option is title padding. Enter your inner space value for the title here. And the next one is title margin. Here you can enter outer space value for the title. Also you can set for in the overview too. And the next one is alignment. Choose your preferred alignment here for the title, and here you can change the title space. And the next one is typography. Here you can change the font family and font style for the title. The next one is carousel item, and here you can change the background color for the carousel. And the next one is padding. Enter your carousel inner space value here, and here you can enter your outer space value for the carousel. And if you want to enable box shadow, you can enable it here. The next one is border type. Choose your preferred border type here. Let's choose solid now, and here you can enter your preferred border width, and now like choose the border color. The next one is typography. Here you can change the font family and font style for the carousel. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.